Reporting is only as good, or as easy, as the data you're reporting on. And that's why the key component in the DataSelf solution is a data optimization process that's powered by our ETL technology. Standing for extract, transform, and load, ETL Plus takes all of your ERP and related data and makes it accessible for reporting that's fast, easy, and intuitive. So let's start at the beginning, telling ETL Plus what apps, or data sources, you wish to report on. When you create a new source, you simply select the type of connection your ERP app uses, and ETL will have access to all of the information it needs. The main ETL Plus window is comprised of three areas. The apps you wish to monitor are on the left. The source tables that ETL Plus extracts are in the center. And the specific data fields from those tables are shown on the right. The extract process takes your ERP data and populates tables within your SQL Server data warehouse. Note that you can use the power of SQL to transform your ERP data as it gets loaded into the warehouse. You could, for example, create a field that calculates the gross profit of items sold, or that forecasts cash flow utilization. The ability to select and customize fields enables you to both simplify your reporting as well as create additional KPIs and metrics for use in your dashboards and reports. Once you've identified what to load into the warehouse, you can also specify how the data will be loaded. ETL Plus maximizes the efficiency of this process by loading all of your data initially and then loading only new or changed data on a subsequent refresh. And that brings us to the job window. You control how often your data will be refreshed, daily, hourly, or even every minute. The highlighted job refreshes its data hourly between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. Note that the optimization of your data enables DataSelf reports to run in under 10 seconds. And for those times when only right now will do, DataSelf's on-demand refresh option is always at hand. With the extract, transform, and load functions occurring automatically with ETL Plus, there are also extensive logging capabilities that allow you to monitor these processes and track any issues that may arise. This brief look into ETL Plus just begins to touch upon the ways in which it can be utilized and customized. The bottom line is that without ETL Plus, the vast amount of data in your ERP app would not be optimized, and your business insight would be severely restricted. If you're interested in learning more about DataSelf's BI-based reporting for better decision making, please contact us today.